and welcome back to my channel. It is time for another healthy meal in 15 minutes. I am making like a quick garlic pepper chicken and I'm going to serve it with some rice. It's perfect for this time of the year because the chicken is really warming. It warms your throat. As you can hear, I've got bad throat right now, so that's why I've chosen this recipe today. And you know, it just is really good for your throat and stomach. It's healthy, it's quick. I'm serving it with rice. You can serve it with chapati if you want. You can put it in a wrap if you want, but I should start cooking now. Before that, you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. I love to read your comments, so if you have a minute, let me know your thoughts. I try and respond to most of them. So yeah, I look forward to hearing from you. Let's get cooking. I think with these quick meals, one of the tips I can say, something I follow myself, is that I always have rice in the fridge. So either I'll cook it over the weekend, or if I'm making it in the week, I always make enough. We are 4 of us. I always make enough for 8. So we have got spare rice in the in the fridge all the time. And once the rice is cooked, it's cooled down completely, you put it in the fridge and it is good for good 5-6 days, and then you can use it to serve it with dal rice or whatever, or you could serve it with, or you could make like a pulao or an egg fried rice or anything else. So that is one thing to keep in mind if you're trying to save time and cook up healthy meals quickly. Having just given you a lecture on rice, I must tell you that I haven't got any rice in the fridge right now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put the rice on the hob. You know how I cook it. I boil the water, add the rice, drain the extra rice. There is a masterclass of how to get perfect fluffy rice every time. It is on my channel, so you can check it out. So I'm going to get the rice started and then move on to the chicken. So usually the rice I use takes around 10 minutes to cook. It's really, really quick. I can never leave it alone, kind of go do something else because it cooks so quickly. So yeah, I'm going to leave it to cook and move on to the chicken. Moving on to the chicken, I have got here 4 red onions, and all I'm going to do is thinly slice these up. So a nice hot pan to start with, and then going to add not much, just 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now adding in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them sizzle up nicely. And then if you can get hold of some fresh curry leaves, that is a great addition for flavor. And now I don't want too much color on this, so I'm going to cook this on medium-high heat for 5 minutes, and in that time I'm going to quickly prep up the chicken. Just chop it up basically. Also, I really would like some heat in this dish, so I am going to take 1 whole red chili and thinly slice it up. Sorry, I've got my meat board on top of my regular chopping board, and this can go in with the onions actually. Now for the chicken, as always, I have got here chicken thighs, skinless and boneless. I'm just going to tidy them up, and I bought 10 pieces. So I have got 10 chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, cut into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so I can't believe I had so much garlic till yesterday. So I'm going to get 2 fat, 3 cloves of garlic, and I am just going to chop these up. I find this the easiest way to get the skin off. Oh, it's already out. So this on high medium heat has softened the onions. They haven't got too much color, but they're properly softened. And now I'm going to add the garlic followed by the spices. And I'm going to continue to do all of this on high heat. So a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. This is not enough, I'll get some more. I would have crushed fresh black pepper, but I'm out of black pepper seeds. I'm going to add some white pepper instead. And now we add in the chicken. I've cut it into bite-sized pieces so it doesn't take long to cook. Now, depending on the size of the chicken, it could take anything between 8, 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Not longer than that. You don't want to overcook and dry out the chicken. I won't disturb it for a minute so it gets a bit of color on the bottom, and then I'll stir it. Just to let you know, the rice is ready as well. It got ready a few minutes back. It's just sitting in the sieve. So this is how I store it in the fridge as well, and it keeps well for, like I said, 5 to 6 days. Obviously, whenever we eat it, we heat it up really well. See, getting a bit of color always adds flavor as well. So now, to make it cook a little quicker as too, I am going to put a lid on, cover it for 5 minutes, still cooking on high heat. Just last 2 things to prep while the chicken is finishing up is a handful of fresh coriander. If you're not coriander fan, dill is a good one to add at this point. Or parsley would work too, but coriander works the best. So coriander, and I'm just going to get some lemon ready. Okay, the chai is almost ready. Yeah, just need a constant cup of chai these days with the throat being bad. And I think it's time to check this chicken up. I cook the whole thing on high heat, and I'm continuing to do this on high heat too. I will give it a couple of minutes. I didn't add any water. There was just enough in the chicken to kind of cook this up, so I didn't add any more. So this took me exactly 11 minutes to cook, from the frying of the chicken first and then cover, and then I let it kind of really sizzle up on high heat. Now smother it in coriander because it's my dish and I want to, and lemon juice a little bit. And then look at that, just beautiful. Clearly, to be honest, I don't even need to plate this up, but I am going to plate up one rice and chicken dish to show you the finished 15-minute healthy meals. A lovely rice. Just look at this chicken. Oh God, I'm just happy with this on a plate, to be honest. Right, my chai is just finishing up, and It's 0 degrees today, but it is beautiful. This is the last 2 minutes of sun I get in the kitchen, which is right in the corner here, which is when we get the sun. This is just what I crave and my body needs. Healthy, quick, delicious dinner. Kids are watching TV, it's Saturday. Ooh, there's a bit of spice kick, which is just what I needed. Hope you'll give this a go. Lovely pepper garlic chicken with some rice. Please let me know your thoughts and comments about this new series. I'm trying to get... It's so hard to cook something in 15 minutes. Half an hour, I've done a whole book about it, but 15 minutes is even less time. But I don't want to compromise on flavor. So hopefully I'll get a few more recipes out there before I give up. So like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you here very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now.